AXS against BTC. So for Axie Infinity, yeah, my God, it's not looking good. We're in, yeah, it feels like we are largely in some sort of a falling channel. You know, this is like a descending triangle that has completed for AXS against BTC, right? Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 3, pump. We slice back down. There's a bounce up. Are we going to continue lower, or are we going to be breaking the falling channel, right? It looks like a falling channel at the same time, right? There's a bearish sharp pattern over here. We've sliced through the neckline, but at the same time, this is also a falling wedge. We're still above the skinny pink line. So to be honest, AXS is still largely in a bullish trend against BTC. We have not touched the skinny pink line ever since coming onto the scene way back in 2020 November, and we have just been going up and up and up and up. It's crazy, right? So if anything, my suspicion is that this whole thing is a 1, 2, 3, 4. This is just a wave 4. I think there should be a wave 5 potentially before we see any sort of a fall. So I mean, of course I could be wrong, but yeah, this, to be honest, looks to me like a bullish continuation chart pattern for AXS against BTC. I really don't think that AXS, you know, this is not what I would consider as a bearish chart pattern. This maybe is, right, the descending triangle, and we do not know how much lower things are going to go. But yeah, in the bigger scheme of things, this looks to me like a falling wedge, and falling wedges usually break towards the upside. So I feel like there's more upside to come for AXS BTC. AXS USDT. Yeah, AXS USDT looks a bit strange, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hey, we've hit this target previously, and yeah, we've had this target previously, and we've already hit it. It was a fall from a mountain range over here. It looks something like a head and shoulders. Not exactly, but something like that, right? And then pump. We fell down for AXS against USDT. We've hit targets. Are we going to continue lower for AXS against USDT? Potentially, we could be slicing through the skinny pink line, but the moment we touch the skinny pink line for AXS against USDT, yeah, this could be the start of a bearish trend, right? We might see some sort of a strong bounce for AXS, right? But I feel like even if we do bounce, this could be the setup for a bearish reversal, something like that. But yeah, we're largely in a downtrend at the moment. I think this downtrend, you know, there could be another move lower, another deep lower first, and after that I expect a strong rally to come for AXS against USDT. But of course the reverse could be true, and we could still slide through the skinny pink line. It's just that, you know, I feel like AXS is quite oversold at the moment. Oversold, so you can see, you know, it's quite oversold. So that's why I've been anticipating a bounce for AXS. Will we get a bounce? I don't know. So again, largely 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we get a wave 5, breaching $200 first before seeing some sort of a reversal. My guess is, it's just my guess. We don't see any clear signs of a proper tradable chart pattern yet for AXS, neither towards the upside or towards the downside at this point of time. If anything, this is something like a bear flag. So bear flags usually break lower. So be very, very careful about going into a trade too soon for AXS against USDT.